I would like to share with you almost like a small tip on how to improve your horsepower and accelerations of your car using an air filter. It's called K&N High Flow Air Filter. This is a washable, reusable air filter that you can buy in the store, and I got this from Amazon. And I actually use this using my other car, and I can feel the difference. Less gas usage, and the acceleration and the performance of my engine actually did help. It gave me more mileage. So instead of buying regular air filter, this is the one best way to go to save you money in the long run. You know, the price of this air filter, it cost me about $49 in Amazon. I know it's a bit pricey compared to other off-brand air filter, but this will save you a lot of money in the long run. That would actually save you a lot if you just buy a permanent one. What I like about this air filter is it allows your engine to breathe a little easier than using a traditional paper air filters. So this is the actual air filter look like. For the type of car that I have, which is I have a Toyota Highlander, the genuine Toyota air filter that's Toyota is selling, it costs about $20. So it's every 5 to 10,000 miles whenever you change. It was recommended to be changed. So just locate your air filter in your car and take out the old one and just replace it with a new one. If you look at my old air filter in my car, it looks really old and dirty. And I really have to accelerate and press the gas so I can get the acceleration that I need. Now this is the type of filter that I'm going to be using now, and I've used this in the past, and I know it's going to help my car to reach its full potential. There has been many studies that there's like over 100 million disposable air filters are discarded every year. And this type of filter is actually cleanable and will last for the life of your vehicle. So I've used it in the past, so I'll use it again today, and hopefully this will help you too. If you like this video and if you think it helped you even just a little bit, please click and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.